Hello, welcome to the Mark Janad Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to talk about the top entry-level jobs in cybersecurity. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. First, we have information security analysts, and an information security analyst safeguards computer networks and systems. They monitor, detect, and respond to cyber threats, ensuring data protection. Their role involves implementing security measures, conducting risk assessments, and educating staff on security protocols. They are crucial in defending against cyber attacks and maintaining system integrity in an increasingly digital world. Now, the salary is about $103,000 annual salary with potential for growth as a security specialist. Now, some of the skills is proficiency in setting up security platforms, patching vulnerabilities, and managing network security. Next, we have system administrator. Now, system administrators manage and maintain an organization's computer systems and networks. Their responsibilities include installing hardware and software, ensuring system functionality, and providing user support. They perform regular backups, update systems, and monitor network security. System administrators are key in keeping up IT infrastructure running smoothly and efficiently. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button. Our goal this year is 10,000 subs. Now, the average salary is about $77,000. Essential skills. You have to be proficient in setting up and managing both individual and networked systems, deep knowledge of various operating systems, and skilled in scripting for task automation. Next, we have IT support specialist. Now, an IT support specialist provides technical assistance and support for computer systems, software, and hardware. They troubleshoot issues, guide users through problem-solving processes, and maintain system performance. Their role includes setting up hardware, installing software, and ensuring network security. They are vital in helping users navigate and efficiently use technology in various settings. Now, the average salary is about $54,000. And the essential skills. Let's talk about the essential skills. You're going to want to have general technical knowledge, including software installation, basic hardware understanding, and device setup. You're going to also want to have strong problem solving and effective communication skills. Okay, that's very important for this role. Next, we have junior forensic analysts. A junior forensic analyst assists in examining digital evidence in cybercrime investigations. They work under supervision to analyze data from computers and other digital devices, helping to uncover and interpret electronic information related to crimes. Their role involves following established procedures, documenting findings, and learning advanced forensic techniques, contributing to solving complex digital investigations. The median annual salary of this role is about $68,000. Now, essential skills. You're going to want to have proficiency in digital storage technologies, understanding of storage architecture, file system management, and ethical hacking. Lastly, we have the junior crypt analyst. A junior crypt analyst assists in analyzing and deciphering encrypted data, contributing to information security. They work under guidance to understand and break complex codes, ensuring secure data transmission. Their role involves learning cryptographic algorithms, detecting vulnerabilities, and developing decryption methods. They play a crucial part in protecting sensitive information from unauthorized access in various digital environments. Now, the median average salary of this role is about $81,000. The essential skills is you want to be skilled in data sourcing, handling, and processing with a strong understanding of various encryption techniques and potential vulnerabilities. So please let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Please take a moment to subscribe to this channel. I appreciate your viewership and see you on the next video.